Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Suzuki 650 VStrom with ABS brakes. This midweight adventure V-twin just arrived with only 7,500 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, metallic white and black paint scheme. It's got the adjustable windscreen and the rear trunk. Brand new back tire. ABS, did I mention ABS? Fuel injected V-twin, liquid cooled. Come on by, make your adventure dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing available. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.